Learn Hindi travel phrases in English. Where can I find? 2.
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
Welcome to the lost but confident traveler. Hey, you're about to learn Hindi travel phrases that make you sound polite, practical, and only slightly dramatic. Let's turn confusion into comedy and useful conversation. Picture this. You arrive in a busy market, your phone battery is at 3%, your map has given up on life, and a goat seems more confident than you. This is your moment. Instead of panicking, you calmly ask,
मैं कहाँ ढूंढ सकती हूँ?
If the place looks popular, you ask,
क्या मुझे आरक्षण करना चाहिए?
If someone answers at the speed of a racing scooter, you smile and say,
क्या आप उसे थोड़ा धीरे कह सकते हैं?
If survival now depends on internet, you ask,
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
And while pointing at a mysterious door, you can ask either,
क्या वो खुला है?
or,
क्या वो बंद है?
Congratulations, you are no longer helpless. You are now helpfully confused in Hindi. Your survival toolkit. Let's meet your 6 superstar phrases. Say them like tools you can pull out at exactly the right chaotic moment. Phrase 1. Where can I find? In Hindi.
मैं कहाँ ढूंढ सकती हूँ?
This is your flashlight phrase. Phrase 2. Do I need to make a reservation? In Hindi.
क्या मुझे आरक्षण करना चाहिए?
This saves you from staring sadly at a full restaurant. Phrase 3. Could you say that more slowly? In Hindi.
क्या आप उसे थोड़ा धीरे कह सकते हैं?
This is your conversation brake pedal. Phrase 4. Is there Wi-Fi here? In Hindi.
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
A modern classic. Phrase 5. Is that open? In Hindi.
क्या वो खुला है?
Useful for shops, cafes, and suspicious-looking doors. Phrase 6. Is that closed? In Hindi.
क्या वो बंद है?
Useful when the door, the lights, and your hopes all look shut. Tiny story in a big city. Now let's drop these phrases into a fun little story. You just listen and imagine the scene. You land in a new city and immediately decide to be brave. Very brave. Possibly too brave. You step into a noisy street and ask a passerby,
मैं स्टेशन कहाँ ढूंढ सकती हूँ?
Great start. You find the station, but now you need food, so you point at a crowded restaurant and ask,
क्या मुझे आरक्षण करना चाहिए?
The host replies quickly, using approximately 12,000 words per second. You blink respectfully and say,
क्या आप उसे थोड़ा धीरे कह सकते हैं?
Success. Then, because you are a traveler of the 21st century, you add,
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
Later, you point at a little tea shop and ask your friend.
क्या वो खुला है?
Your friend squints dramatically and says, No, I think.
क्या वो बंद है?
You both walk closer. The owner opens the door. Plot twist. It was open the whole time. Pattern power. You do not need to memorize everything as one giant noodle of sound. Let's break the phrases into friendly chunks. In.
मैं कहाँ ढूंढ सकती हूँ?
Listen for.
मैं
Meaning I.
कहाँ
Meaning where, and.
ढूंढ
From find or search. In.
क्या मुझे आरक्षण करना चाहिए?
Here.
आरक्षण
For reservation and.
करना चाहिए.
For should do. In.
क्या आप उसे थोड़ा धीरे कह सकते हैं?
The magic part is.
थोड़ा धीरे.
A little slowly. In.
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है? यहाँ.
Means here. In.
क्या वो खुला है? खुला.
Means open. In.
क्या वो बंद है? बंद.
Means closed. Also, not a music band. Your guitar is innocent. Repeat after me. Time to train your mouth, your ears, and your brave traveler soul. Repeat after each pause. Where can I find?
मैं कहाँ ढूंढ सकती हूँ?
Do I need to make a reservation?
क्या मुझे आरक्षण करना चाहिए?
Could you say that more slowly?
क्या आप उसे थोड़ा धीरे कह सकते हैं?
Is there Wi-Fi here?
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
Is that open?
क्या वो खुला है?
Is that closed?
क्या वो बंद है?
Mini dialogues with maximum drama. Let's make the phrases feel real. These dialogues are short, useful, and just a little ridiculous. Dialogue 1. You. Where can I find a taxi?
मैं टैक्सी कहाँ ढूंढ सकती हूँ?
Local. Straight ahead. You. Amazing, I was about to adopt a bicycle emotionally. Dialogue 2. You. Do I need to make a reservation?
क्या मुझे आरक्षण करना चाहिए?
Host. Yes, it gets busy. You. Excellent, I enjoy food more when I can actually reach it. Dialogue 3. Speaker. Fast, 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 fast. You.
क्या आप उसे थोड़ा धीरे कह सकते हैं?
Speaker. Of course. You. Language has returned to Earth. Dialogue 4. You.
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
Waiter. Yes. You. Wonderful. Civilization continues. Dialogue 5. You. Pointing.
क्या वो खुला है?
Friend. I think so. Door. Creaks open dramatically. Dialogue 6. You. Again pointing but now suspiciously.
क्या वो बंद है?
Guard. Yes, until morning. You. Then let us retreat with dignity. Quick challenge round. Now you do the thinking. I'll give you the situation and you say the Hindi phrase. You need the station. Say, where can I find the station?
मैं स्टेशन कहाँ ढूंढ सकती हूँ?
You call a restaurant for tonight. Say, do I need to make a reservation?
क्या मुझे आरक्षण करना चाहिए?
The teacher speaks too fast. Say, could you say that more slowly?
क्या आप उसे थोड़ा धीरे कह सकते हैं?
You enter a cafe with your laptop. Say, is there Wi-Fi here?
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
You point at a shop with lights on. Say, is that open?
क्या वो खुला है?
You point at a dark shop with shutters down. Say, is that closed?
क्या वो बंद है?
Memory tricks you will actually remember. Let's glue these phrases into your memory with images that are weird enough to work. Thank you, brain. Imagine walking through a market with a giant question mark hat, asking.
मैं कहाँ ढूंढ सकती हूँ?
Even the street dogs point the way. Imagine a huge golden booking book floating over a restaurant door. To enter, you must say.
क्या मुझे आरक्षण करना चाहिए?
Imagine a parrot talking so fast it sounds like a blender. You raise a hand and say.
क्या आप उसे थोड़ा धीरे कह सकते हैं?
The parrot instantly becomes a sleepy philosopher. Imagine a glowing router like a tiny internet moon. You whisper.
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
And your phone smiles. Imagine a bright green door for.
क्या वो खुला है?
And a heavy gray shutter for.
क्या वो बंद है?
Open is green, closed is gray. Easy. Friendly conclusion. You did it. You now have 6 practical Hindi phrases ready for real life, travel, and mild public confusion. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these phrases out loud.
मैं कहाँ ढूंढ सकती हूँ? क्या मुझे आरक्षण करना चाहिए? क्या आप उसे थोड़ा धीरे कह सकते हैं? क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है? क्या वो खुला है?
And.
क्या वो बंद है?
The more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. Thanks for listening, keep practicing, and next time you get lost, may you be lost with excellent Hindi.